don't you get right, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up, yes, yes, me. This woman is